So I was reading this article in the Wall Street Journal. This woman had a day job, and she wrote a novel and put it out on Kindle as an ebook. Became very popular. I don't know what she did, but it became very popular. And either she sold 40,000 at 99 cents each or 20,000 at $2 each. I can't remember, but the CPA and me did the math. She made $40,000 in 1 year from her ebook. And then in the Wall Street Journal article, she's quoted as saying, "This is just a hobby." No, it is not. Now she thinks it's a hobby because she has her day job. This is just 40K is not a hobby. It's a business. Treat it like a business. Act like it's a business. File your business tax returns. Get every deduction you can. And, and wear it with pride. Don't call yourself hobby writer, because she is definitely professional if you made 40K in 1 year.
Now, when it comes to something being a hobby as opposed to a profession, if you show losses for like 3 years in a row, don't they require you to be a hobby?
No, and that's kind of a misunderstanding of that hobby definition, the 3 of 5 year. I get what you're talking about. Actually, what the IRS says is kind of the opposite. They say if in 3 out of the 5 years I'm going to look at, if the IRS, it looks, and they don't usually, if you make a profit in 3 of those 5 years, I'm going to consider you a business, not a hobby. And you're like, good, because the tax status of businesses is better. We kind of misunderstand that and think that, oh, look, I can't have a loss in my business or the IRS is going to bump me down to that bad hobby status. And that's not true. Businesses can lose money every single year and still be legitimate businesses. Okay. Yeah, you know that old TV show WKRP in Cincinnati?
Yeah.
Okay, there really was a WKRP in Cincinnati. This man kept the name or bought the whatever that, what am I trying to say? Bought the name, and it ran late night TV, those old movies and old TV shows, It was a fun little station. And he ran that business for something like 12 years, lost money every single year. Okay? No one would say that was a hobby. It was just a business that lost a lot of money. I assume this man had other businesses too. That's what fed his family, but this one lost money every single year. So you can lose money every single year. Even as a writer, you can lose money every single year and still be a legitimate business. Fair enough? Does that switch your thinking around a little bit?